Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everybody. Today we will learn together this letter. It is J, 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 J. The sound is J, 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 J. Okay, J. And when we put this mark on the top, so it is Ja. Okay, Ja. Today we will learn Ja. So Ja in the beginning of the word is like this. Ja. In the middle of the word is like this. Ja. In the end of the word is, oh my god, sorry. It's hard to write like this. So in the end of the word, it is like this. Okay? So ja. So I have ja, ja, ja. Okay? So let's get started. Our first word today is start with ja. So pay attention. Ja, the pronunciation. It's not easy to write like this. So ja. And then we have la. La. And in the end we have this. Sa. Jalasa. 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 I will add the meaning of all the new verbs in the video description. Just focus with me on reading and writing, please. This is our main thing in this video. So, jalasa. 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 Okay? So, let's move to another verb. Let's see ja in the middle of the word. So we have now sa, sa, ja, sa, ja, da, sajada, 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 sajada. Okay, let's move to the third word today, and it has ja in the end of the word. So the first is na, na, sa, sa, and finally ja. Na, sa, ja. Na, sa, ja. Na, sa, ja. Na, sa, ja. Okay, guys, so that's for today. See you tomorrow. I will tomorrow talk about the letter ha. Okay? Yalla. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.